The most effective way to find the perfect color corrector for your skin tone is to experiment with a few shades and see how they perform on your complexion. If your under eyes are medium in depth, apply a peach corrector on one side and an orange corrector on the other. Then layer your concealer and finish the rest of your makeup. Compare both sides and notice which one looks brighter, smoother, and more youthful.
Are your under eyes still looking gray and ashy even after applying color corrector? It is because of this one mistake that you are doing when color correcting. Let me show you the correct way to color correct and conceal your dark circles. First, moisturize your under eyes very well. Now apply your color corrector. Don't apply too much, but also don't apply too less. It should be just enough to hide the dark circles. Blend the harsh edges using your finger. Next step is the biggest mistake that you make. Don't apply the concealer on top of your color corrector. First, set it with setting powder. Dust off any excess on your hand and apply very light powder on the color corrector so it does not move around when you apply your concealer. This step is very important, so don't skip it. Now go in with your exact skin tone concealer and apply it. Do not drag it, gently tap it so nothing moves around. For a more highlighted look, take 2 shades lighter concealer from your skin tone, very strategically, only in areas you want highlighted. This is the final look. Follow these steps and comment below if this video helped you. Are you confused with what color corrector to use? With dark circles like these, a dark, a deep orange, or red color correctors are going to work. There are different types of color correctors. For example, a creamy one will give all the coverage, but you have to let it set and dry before applying the concealer, or you can apply setting powder on it. A liquid color corrector is much lighter than a creamy one. You don't have to apply setting powder on it because it dries faster than the creamy one. If your dark circles are dark as the model, you can apply orange color corrector and use your hands to blend it out, or use a brush, whatever you are most comfortable with. Just remember to play around with different color correctors to find just the right one for your color tone and skin type. If you notice your makeup is pilling, it means the moisturizer you used is too thick. Go for a thinner, lighter moisturizer like a lotion rather than a cream. If you feel your dark circles are still peeking through even after applying the color corrector, it means you did not apply enough, so go ahead and apply a little bit more. Your face should look orange with no darkness peeking through. Use a fan to speed up the drying process of color corrector. If you have dry skin, applying the powder to set the color corrector adds more layers of products, so just try to wait long enough to completely dry the first layer of the color corrector. This will prevent any cakiness. Less the makeup layers, the more natural the final look will be. Now apply your concealer on top of the color corrector. I will show you how to hide dark under eye circles and hyperpigmentation around the mouth area. Choose the correct color shade for your corrector. Red for very dark under eyes, orange for medium under eyes, and peach for mild under eyes. If your under eyes are dark like the model, use red. Let it dry and now apply the foundation in a tapping motion, and not in swiping motion, to prevent the color corrector from moving around. Now apply a concealer that is your skin color right on top of the corrector in tapping motion. If you go in with a lighter concealer, your eyes will look gray. Remember, loose setting powder does not provide coverage. A compact setting powder does. If you want extra coverage, use setting powder to set your eyes and face. If you don't want any extra coverage, use a loose powder. Now set everything with a setting spray because it will melt all the powders and make it look like skin. Do you actually need a concealer with your color corrector? Apply color corrector on one side with concealer on top, and on the other side only apply the concealer. You can see on the side with no color correcting the eye looks very gray, and on the other side the dark circles are covered and looks brighter. If your under eye circles are very dark, first go in with a red color corrector, let it dry, then go in with an orange color corrector in a thin layer. Now set it with loose setting powder and apply your concealer. Use a brush in a tapping motion to set the concealer. Take your foundation and go over the eye area with it to look seamless. Now set again with the setting powder and finish it off with setting spray to blend all the powders. This is a great technique for more younger and especially if you have oily skin. But if you have mature skin, dry skin, or skin with more fine lines, then this technique will not work for you because of many layers.